Hi, welcome back. We've got another upgrade today, this time for my Subaru. Those of you who have seen the TikToks, the early ones would have seen I got this a few months ago. However, about a week in, the head gasket went on it, not badly, just a small leak, and yeah, it got done under warranty by a Subaru specialist, which it took them 3 months to do. But yeah, it's finally back, and we've got a long awaited upgrade of new tailpipes and a bit of the rear section, which will make it a bit louder and look a bit better, as they are much bigger. So yeah, we'll get started with that. So there we go, that's one side off. As you can see the difference there. That is way too big for a STI back box. So there we go, that's one side in. As you can see, it looks much more aggressive than the standard ones. Now let's do the other side. Right, there we go, that's both of them on, so we'll get an afterwards sound now.